Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. So happy you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. This is Zena. We do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, out of the day, and so much more. Please hit that subscribe, hang out with us. It helps us keep doing what we love. For today, so excited. My fall Oceanista box is here. All right, this box brings me so much joy. This is a beach-inspired seasonal subscription box, and it has 6 to 8 beach-inspired items in it that for those of us that do not live near the beach, it brings the beach to you. For those of you that do live near the beach, you would still love it because it is all the beach and ocean love you can get in one box. I love it so much. JJ, who is the inspiration, creator, everything behind this box, she does it all, creates the most beautiful items for each of her collections that is always awe-inspiring. So I cannot wait to dig into this collection. $95 a season. I do have a discount code for you, so no worries. I'll share that in just a little bit. Usually the value is $250 or more, and we're going to dig right in because I can't wait any longer. Okay. You always get a little pamphlet that tells you all about what comes inside your collection. This is Drops of Jupiter is the theme for fall. All right. JJ always writes a nice little opening paragraph here. She says, "Hello, Oceanistas. I can't believe this hit song is 20 years old. It means just as much to me as it did when I was gifted the Drops of Jupiter album back in 2001. I'll never forget how two of my friends, independent of each other, selected the album as my birthday present at the time." It says, and there's much more to it. I won't read everything because I'll let you read it when you get your own box. But she does say, "From the bottom of our hearts, Oceanista thanks you for your patience and support. The business has made great strides thanks to our lovely customers. We eagerly await your feedback on the fall 2021 Drops of Jupiter box." So we're going to get right into these items. And it says this season's retail, this box has a retail value of $225 or more based on the customizations that you chose. So this box did have some options in which you could pick. And I have some extras I get to share with you to show you some of those picks. Okay. I got a little sticker here. It says Lotus and Luna. And welcome to our village. So this must be one of the items that are inside the box. So let's wait till we get to that and I'll share the rest. Look how pretty this is. I have to always share her boxes. They're beautiful. This box is gorgeous. So first of all, check out the front with the girl on the beach. This is the hat, the palm tree, the bag, everything. Gorgeous. Every part of this box is decorated. Every part, if you can see that, including the bottom, which is one of my favorites. Hopefully I got the right side here. Oh, it's upside down. Even the bottom of it with the van. So cute. The inside of the box. Amazing. Okay. And then she has stickers here. It says Curated with Love by Oceanista. All right. We're digging in. What do I see first? All right. First up, I see the Satin Sleep Set. Don't we all need more sleep? I'm telling you, I've had the hardest time sleeping lately for some reason. I wake up at odd hours, can't get back to sleep. So this is by Kitsch. This is the Blush Tie-Dye Satin Sleep Set. The value is $36. It's a limited edition set. See if we can't get this open. It says Kitsch sleep sets are your newest nighttime necessity. Their satin construction won't crimp or agitate your strands while you sleep, allowing you to wake up frizz-free and ready to take on the day. Banish breakage and conquer creases with these chic day-to-night no-brainers. Each package contains a standard-sized satin pillowcase, a satin eye mask, and a satin sleep scrunchie. How awesome is that? So I'm all about the sleep mask. The pillowcase. And what did I do with my, oh, and here's my scrunchie. Got it all. All right, that's awesome. Next, what is this? This looks like something, oh, look at this. I would say it looks like something wood, and it is. Check this out. This is a home mango wood cutout. Even has that smell. It says, looking to upgrade the look of your home, Adams & Company has almost everything you need. The wood cutout is made with real mango wood and designed with the word home to suit the occasion. This is 8 by 4 by 1, perfect for tables, desks, or on top of a shelf. So you can set it, like you can just set it down on any surface. Of course, I just moved, but it'll balance easily. You could probably even hang this if you wanted to, right? You could use the 2 holes to hang it if you wanted to. It's made of natural mango wood with light white distressing. For access, this cutout home decor piece measures 8 by 4 by 1, which I already did say. This retails for $21 or $23. $23. It's easy. You look in your paw. What you doing? All right, next, what do I have? I see jewelry. We're going to go for that next. How pretty is that? This is by Coco & Souls, and it's called the Raindrop Coconut Shell Pendant Necklace. These are the featured artisan, modern eco-luxe sustainable jewelry, it says. So this is valued at $26.99. This is a mother and daughter duo, Anna and Nina. And it says they're passionate about the ocean, beaches, marine life, and their surroundings. And together they have created Coco & Souls, an eco-friendly jewelry brand. Look how pretty that is. This has a nice bigger lobster clasp. I hate the really tiny ones. I always struggle with them, but that has a nice bigger one. Or I could just fit this right over my head. Take the easy way, and there you go. I have on my You're on Mute sweatshirt today, so it happens to be a Friday when I'm filming this. I always save like super fun boxes for Fridays when I film, because generally I do most of my filming on the weekend. If I have any time on Fridays, I'll do one. But if anyone who does a lot of video calls, how many times do you hear this or say this in one day? People always forget to take themselves on mute and start talking, right? So if anyone who doesn't do video calls may not know what this means or what it references, but that's what it references. Okay, look how cute that is. Very pretty. This is a 24-inch expandable steel paperclip chain with an antique gold finish. The double teardrop pendant measures 2.75 inches by 2 inches. It's designed in Atlanta, but it's handmade in El Salvador, and it's by 100% organic coconut shells. Cool. All right. This is so fun. So fun. Okay, so next up I have 2 items by Earth Harbor. So every member received the Lunar Rain. This is the Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. And then there was also I got the Celestine, which was a customization. Okay, so let's see. The Lunar Rain retails for $54. I think that's the one I'm opening. Yeah, it's the one I'm opening right now. And this, as I said, was a Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. This is seaweed, collagen, and superfruit acids. This is a full ounce. If you haven't tried any of the Earth Harbor products, they're really quite amazing. They just feel great on your skin, and I really like to use them. So you're supposed to gently shake, apply 3 to 8 drops to clean skin, and massage and use nightly or as often as needed. And it says slight tingling is normal, particularly for the first few days of application. Okay. And then we have the Celestine This retails for between $45 and $48, depending on whether you got the Celestine, the Nebula, or the Helios, which was the customization. So hydro pumping peptide serum. This is seaweed and peptides and hyaluronic acid. This is 1 full ounce as well. And this one, it says apply to clean skin and massage in as a leave-on treatment. Include any place in your body needing a refreshing hydration boost. Use daily for maximum results. So you can use this anywhere on your body. I love the products she sends. They're just amazing. Okay, and then I have one more to share with you. This is a wearable. She always has a wearable. And I have 2 versions to share. This was a customization as far as picking which color you wanted. And this is called the harem pant. We're going to get this out and check it out. And then I will try it on later and I'll add a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so this is so cute. This is the Lotus and Luna item. So it's handmade in Thailand. So let's go back to my little sticker here. So that was this, right? And it says each Lotus and Luna accessory is handcrafted by artisan villages in Thailand. Striving for a better quality of life, your order helps provide them with fair, consistent employment and the freedom to work from home while caring for their families. As each artisan learns to make our products, they develop new skills, and this empowers them individually while allowing their small village economies not only to sustain, but to grow. So that's what that little card said. Yeah, and this is a little thank you on the other side. So check this out. I love a little harem pant. How cute is this? This pattern is adorable. You had color choices. So this is the blue. All the smocked waist. And then I like that the leg is not too wide. And then has almost like a jogger bottom with the elastic. So cute, right? So cute. Adorable. These are valued at $39.99. And then I have a second color to share with you in this pretty light gray. Almost a taupey, I guess I would say. And let's see, it looks like there was 4 different colors you could choose from. I'll show you the picture here. Yeah, 4 colors to choose from. Havana, Lava Island, Corfu, or Galapagos. Galapagos. I can't even say that. So I had this is the, this says Lavender Mandela. This one says Teal Mandela. All right. That's all right. I believe this one looks like the Galapagos. Why can't I not talk today? It's been a long day. And I believe this one looks like the Lava Island, sort of. And they were available in sizes. One size fits most, actually. So 0 through 12, and then Kirby 12 through 18. So I'll be excited to see what these look like when I try them on. They are machine wash and hang dry. 100% rayon and elastic. Here's the color of the second one. Cute, right? Aren't they just fun? She does, like, they're just such fun collections. So that's a wrap on this box. What did you think? I thought this was fun. I always have fun with the Oceanista boxes, though. I always love the curations. So between the fun little harem pant that'll be super comfy to wear as a lounge pant or to bed, right? You could do either. This would also be great in the summer over bathing suit. And then the little bit of home decor. Home decor, get it? Got it. And then I always love a good beauty product. So I love, especially those that are great for your skin. So I really did enjoy that. And then we have the little satin set here between the Between the hair tie, the sleep mask, as well as the pillowcase, all great items. And of course, finish it off with a piece of jewelry. But I can't wait to hear what you think. So please do comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this collection. I'll put all the information for Oceanista down below in case you'd like to check the subscription out. I believe the annual membership right now is sold out. But I do have a code for you. It is HAPPY20, and that will get you $20 off your subscription. So you can sign up for the seasonal subscription right now that will get you $20 off your first box. You can also give this as a gift. So this gift season is coming up. So this would make an awesome gift for someone. So keep that in mind. Please do comment down below. Hit that like before you go if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more. Would love you hang out. Do hit that subscribe. And until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.